Welcome. If you're looking to get the most out of your Pinterest experience and see more relevant ads, you'll want to make sure partner info usage is turned on. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable this feature right from your Pinterest app. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personalized settings. Once you're in the app, head straight to your profile. To do this, just tap on your profile picture, which you'll find right at the top of the screen. This takes you to your personal space, where you can see all your boards, pins, and account options. Now look for the settings menu. Usually, you'll spot a small gear icon or 3 dots. Tap on that to open your account settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Ads Personalization. This is where Pinterest lets you control how ads are tailored to you. In this section, you'll see an option called Use of Partner Info. This setting allows Pinterest to use information from its partners to personalize the ads you see. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch next to Use of Partner Info so it lights up or shows as enabled. And that's it. You've just updated your ad preferences. With this setting on, Pinterest will use additional information from its partners to show you ads that are more aligned with your interests and activity, making your browsing experience more relevant and engaging. Remember, you can always come back and adjust this setting at any time if you change your mind. Keeping your preferences up to date ensures you're in control of the ads you see. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Pinterest tips to make the most of your social media experience. See you in the next video.